Your Dental Health, brought to you by Tupelo Smiles Family and Cosmetic Dentistry.
It is important to pay very close attention to your oral health. Recognizing certain risk factors can be crucial in maintaining good oral hygiene. Here are some factors to be aware of. Over-flossing and excessive vigorous brushing may injure your teeth or gums. If you have a family member with gum disease or cavities, remember that bacteria can be transmitted through saliva and person to person. Choosing the right fillings for your teeth will make them last longer and save you on costs down the road. Smoking, diabetes, pregnancy, and chronic illness are risk factors for gum disease. Cortisone, birth control pills, medication used to treat high blood pressure, seizures, or cancer can worsen gum disease. Beverages such as carbonated sodas, energy drinks, and sports recovery beverages can heavily compromise your oral health. Keep these things in mind and try to always make good choices concerning your oral health. For Your Dental Health, I'm Dr. John Kenny.
For more information on this topic or to make an appointment, call Tupelo Smiles at 662-840-1535.